Hello, friends. This is Beatrice with Planning the Good Life, and I'd like to say thank you for stopping by. Welcome if it's your first time here, and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm planning in my Erin Condren Academic Planner, and I am a student, full-time student, so this is the planner that I take with me to school and basically has only school stuff in it. I am adding some of the Planner Kate holiday stickers, and I will link the specific ones below. I don't have the number in front of me, and there are a few variations of the holiday stickers. Excuse me. So for this planner, I really love the flowers up top, so I really don't think I need too much decoration. So all I'm going to do is add a little bit of washi tape in a color that fairly matches well with the January and the orange. I guess that's an orange cantaloupe type of, maybe not cantaloupe, that's not the right color, theme. And that is the color that I'm using. I will also be using from kit 6 MK602 some of the little I think they're like bullet points or elements. I'm not sure what that specific, it's the 602AO13 if you're interested. And I have no affiliation with Planner Kate. I just absolutely love her product. I am not really a kit buyer. I don't purchaser. I don't really do kits. But for whatever reason, this kit really stood out to me, and I just had to have it. I love the colors of it. It was very soft, very pretty. And I did use it in my January plan with me for my catch-all planner. So as you can see, this is the washi from this MK602 kit, and it's the thin washi. And now I'm going to use these little bullets to mark off the days that I have class. School started for me on the 17th. I am a computer science major, and most of my computer science classes are, actually all my computer science classes are at night. So you're going to see me add these on, and then I'm going to stop this video for a second, and I'm going to speed through, or actually stop the video, come back after I've written my week, my schedule. And I do like to see this on my calendar every month, because that's, my brain needs to see that. But I this particular sticker set, these little elements, I absolutely love them. So I tried to color code, but these colors, I didn't really have any markers to go with it. So for February, I will not be using elements, and you'll see that in a future video. I also don't like a lot of labels. For me, labels should be things that I want to see, like stand out. So everything else I write into my planner. And like, for example, the spring 2024 is kind of like denoting something. So that's why I use a label for it. So here's where I'm going to stop the video. And now we're back. And as you can see, I've written everything out, and I'm very happy with how that looks. So now I'm just going to add, I have this STK 163. I know that I have a quiz on the 25th already, and my professors, for whatever reason, especially my computer classes, do not put anything up ahead, like as far as assignments and stuff. So I have no idea when anything is due or what's due or when their quizzes, but my math professor is excellent in that department. So I have this school sticker, which is a a large script, I believe it's called, and unfortunately I don't see the number there. I can also add it to the description below. Next, we're going to work on the week of the 15th, which is when school starts. And I think I'm just switching back and forth because I'm trying to figure out what else, if anything, I want to add. Actually, I'm going back to the yearly year at a glance, and I'm just going to highlight the days that we have off. And unfortunately, I don't think I'm in focus unless I move the planner up. Actually, I twisted it over, and I know that I have spring break in March, and that's the week of the 10th. And then in January, that was winter break, so I just kind of added that in there. And I'm not going to go into the summer break because, I mean, at this point, it doesn't really matter. So as you can see, there is my January view. I still at this point don't have a syllabus, so I really couldn't add any information as far as testing or anything like that. So I'm going to show you now my plan with me for the first week. And I've never used an academic planner, so I don't know how I want to break it up. As you can see, there's 3 columns. There's the left side, the middle portion, and then there's like on the right, there's like a to-do type of list with bullets. So at first I thought that I would use the left column as like where I need to be, right? Like, so what time my class is, what room. And I believe that is what I'm going to do here. Okay, the school one is R133, in case you're interested. And then like the middle section, I figured I would put in whatever homework was assigned that day. And then the to-do list would be anything that I need to do that day. Now, I'm doing this voiceover and it's already past this date. And I thought that was kind of redundant to add where I need to be since it's already in my monthly schedule. So instead, I will be using the left side a little differently in the future videos. So you'll see that eventually. And I'm not going to plan on the Monday and Tuesday because I don't have classes on Monday, and Tuesday class hadn't begun yet. So this semester started on a Wednesday, so I did not have my first Tuesday class until the following week. These HDR 111 are a great header. They come in with different words, and I absolutely love them. Gives a little color to your layout, and so that is basically how I'm using this page for now, because I really honestly have no idea what's going on with classes since I did not have a syllabus. I'm pulling out my Erin Condren highlighters in the wildflower colors, and I do use them the first week and then realize that that's not the colors I want to use on a daily basis. So you'll see me change it up in the following months. And I love using my Frixon pen, excuse me, because I can always go back and erase something if something changes, or, if there's an assignment that's due date changes, I can always go back and change it without having to use any whiteout. So as you can see, I'm just putting a color next to what class it is and what time the class is. And you're going to see their cohort, and that's just a program that I'm in that's like for STEM or STEM for the STEM program. And we do different leadership training, and we have, it's very interesting. I've learned a lot from them. So I'm looking at washi tape for my stash that works with that orange. And I am just going to add some washi tape to the top. And again, very little, very minimal when it comes to decoration. For me, it's very distracting. So I don't like too much, or I've learned that for me, because I have done many layouts in the past with lots of florals or lots of decoration. And I have learned that the more decoration, the less I tend to use my planner. And the reason to have a planner is to be fun, to be productive. And those are the days, those are the weeks that I'm least productive in, when they're too busy. So this is a very old washi tape. And as you can tell, I've pulled up my paper, but you really don't see it because it will be under the washi tape. Yeah, I was a little annoyed about that. I noticed that the Erin Condren paper is definitely by far my favorite planner paper, but it could be very sensitive to lifting things up. Although planner Kate stuff lifts up perfectly because it's repositionable. So I'm going to add this other orangey peachy color, just, for a little variation, right above the, right on top of the other washi. And I think I'm happy with that. So I am pretty satisfied with how that looks. There's really nothing else that I need to add to this for right now, other than this little deco box that I'm going to add to the bottom of the page. And I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you'd be a subscriber. And if you can give me a thumbs up, I would love that too. Thanks again. Have a great day.